In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Mechanical Keyboard Kit Hotswappable. The Mechanical Keyboard Kit Hotswappable is an advanced customizable keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking a tailored typing experience. This kit offers hot-swappable switches, allowing users to easily replace or upgrade switches without soldering, offering flexibility and convenience. Additionally, it features a 3-mod Bluetooth 2.4G wireless connection, providing versatility and connectivity options for different devices and setups. The keyboard boasts RGB backlighting, enabling users to personalize their keyboard with various colors and lighting effects. Moreover, its gasket structure enhances typing comfort and stability, providing a satisfying typing experience. Overall, this keyboard kit caters to the needs of discerning users who prioritize customization, convenience, and performance in their mechanical keyboards. Number 2. K86 Wireless Hotswappable Mechanical Keyboard. The K86 Wireless Hotswappable Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile input device designed to cater to both gaming and professional work needs. Featuring wireless connectivity options through Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz, it offers flexibility in usage, allowing users to connect to various devices seamlessly. One notable feature of the keyboard is its hot-swappable switches, which enable users to easily replace or customize the keyboard switches without soldering, providing a personalized typing experience. Additionally, the keyboard is equipped with a display screen, which likely provides users with useful information such as battery status, connectivity mode, or even customizable settings. This feature enhances user experience by providing quick access to essential information without the need to navigate through software interfaces. Moreover, the inclusion of a volume rotary button adds convenience, allowing users to adjust audio levels swiftly during gaming sessions or while working on multimedia projects. Number 3. SK82 Mechanical Keyboard. The SK82 Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile input device designed for gaming and productivity, offering a range of features to enhance user experience. Available in 3 modes, 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections, it provides flexibility and connectivity options, catering to various setups and preferences. One of the standout features of the SK82 is its mechanical key switches, which offer tactile feedback and durability, making it ideal for intense gaming sessions or prolonged typing tasks. The hot-swappable design allows users to easily replace or customize individual switches without soldering, enabling further personalization and maintenance convenience. Moreover, the keyboard boasts RGB backlighting, adding a visually dynamic element to any setup while also aiding visibility in low-light conditions. This customizable lighting feature allows users to create their preferred ambience or match their setup's aesthetic. The gasket structure of the SK82 contributes to its overall durability and typing comfort, providing a responsive yet cushioned feel with each keystroke. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who spend extended periods typing or gaming, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall comfort. Number 4. K96 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The K96 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard represents a versatile input device that seamlessly integrates into modern computing environments. With its dual-mode functionality supporting both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, the keyboard offers users flexibility in how they connect to their devices, whether it be a PC or smartphone. One notable feature of the K96 is its hot-swappable red switches. This feature allows users to easily swap out individual switches without the need for soldering, offering customization and maintenance options that cater to individual preferences and needs. The red switches, known for their linear and smooth keystrokes, provide a responsive typing experience suitable for various tasks ranging from gaming to typing-intensive work. Additionally, the K96's compatibility with smartphones expands its utility beyond traditional computing setups, enabling users to seamlessly transition between devices and maintain productivity on the go. Number 5. S98 Mechanical Keyboard. The S98 Mechanical Keyboard, manufactured by Royal Kluge, is a premium peripheral designed to enhance typing and gaming experiences. Featuring top-notch construction and innovative features, it stands out as a versatile option for enthusiasts seeking both performance and aesthetics. One of the standout features of the RK-S98 is its TFT screen and knob interface, which adds a unique element to the keyboard. This feature provides users with intuitive control over various settings and functions, such as RGB lighting effects, volume control, and other customizable options, directly from the keyboard itself. The inclusion of a TFT screen sets it apart from conventional mechanical keyboards, offering users a more interactive and personalized experience. In terms of design, the RK-S98 boasts a sleek and compact 96% layout, making it suitable for both gaming and professional use. The keyboard's compact form factor maximizes desk space while retaining essential keys for a seamless typing experience. Additionally, the keyboard is equipped with PBT keycaps, known for their durability and resistance to wear, ensuring longevity and consistent performance over time. Furthermore, the RK-S98 features RGB backlighting with customizable effects, allowing users to personalize the keyboard's appearance to suit their preferences or gaming setup. The vibrant RGB lighting adds flair to the keyboard while also enhancing visibility in low-light environments, contributing to an immersive gaming experience. The RK-S98 offers tri-mode connectivity, providing users with flexibility in how they connect the keyboard to their devices. Whether wired, Bluetooth, or via a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, users can choose the most convenient option based on their setup and preferences. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, including PCs, laptops, and even mobile devices, offering seamless connectivity across multiple platforms.